If you encounter this question in exam, how are you going to approach it? I'm going to show you a more excellent way. Just pay attention. Here we are asked to solve the logarithmic equation log x base 3 plus log 9 base x equals to 3. You cannot do anything to this equation unless the base are equal. As you can see, the base of this logarithm is 3 and the base of the second one is what? Is x. So we have to use the change of base formula, okay? So now I can change this log 9 base x. I can rewrite the base. Are you getting it? Using change of base formula. According to that formula, if you have log a base c, it can be written as log a base a all over log c base a. Are you getting it? Here I've already changed the base from c to a. You can see that the base is a and the base here is also what? A. So this can be written as according to the log of the same number. If you log the number to the same base, you're going to have 1. So I'm going to have 1 all over log c base a. That is the law. The log of a number to the same base is 1. That is the law. Are you getting it? So I make use of that law here. Let's go back to the question. That means if I have log 9 base x, log 9 base x can be written as log 9 base 9 all over log x base 9. Are you getting it? I just changed the base just like I did for the for log a base c. Are you getting it? So here I'm going to have 1 over log x base 9. Okay, so I'm going to replace log 9 base x as 1 over log x base 9. Do you understand? I'm going to replace log 9 base x as this. So let's go back to the question. Here I'm going to have log x base 3 plus 1 over log x base 9 equals to 3. Are you following? Okay, now the next step is that 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to have log x base 3 plus 1 over log x base. Now this 9 here I'm going to rewrite as 3 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of 2. Okay, another laws of logarithm. If you have log a base b raised to the power of c, if you have a log whose base is raised to a power, the result will be the inverse of the power which the base is raised to multiplied by the logarithm. Okay, it's simple. Anytime you have the base of a logarithm raised to a power, the result will be the inverse of the base multiplied by the logarithm. Okay, so you can see here that the base of this logarithm, which is 3, is raised to the power of 2. So don't forget equals to 3. So I'm going to have log x base 3 plus 1 over 2 log x base 3. Do you understand? Hello? The power of the base here is 2. Okay, the result will be the inverse. The inverse of 2 is what? 1 over 2, or the reciprocal if you want to put it like that. The reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2. So I have 1 over 2 multiplied by log x base 3. Okay, now when you get to this point, this is equals to 3. Let log x base 3 equals to a. Set is equals to a letter. This is a, it's not 9. Okay, so I'm going to replace log x base 3 as a in this equation. Are you following? So I'm going to have a plus 1 over 2 multiplied by a equals to 3. So I replace the value of log x base 3 as 1 as a. Do you understand? Okay, let's simplify further. I'm going to have a plus 1 divided by a over 2 equals to 3. Are you getting it? So here I'm going to have a plus 2 over a equals to 3. So I'm going to have a squared plus 2 equals to 3a. Do you know what I did? I just take the LCM. Do you understand? Okay, so here a squared minus 3a plus 2 equals to 0. Quadratic equation, you can factorize, right? Yes, so I'm going to have a squared minus 2a minus a plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, I'm going to have a minus 2 minus 1 a minus 2, okay, equals to 0. So a minus 1 equals to 0, a minus 2 equals to 0, a equals to 1 or 2. Okay, our goals is to find the value of x and not the value of a. Okay, so let me erase this. Let me erase this so that we can have space to solve the question. Now, do you know that we say let log x base 3 equals to a? So I'm going to have, since log x base 3 equals to a, log x base 3 equals to a. When a equals to 1, I'm going to have log x base 3 equals to 1. So x will be equals to 3. Okay, according to the law of indices. Hello? According to the law of indices, the index law, if you have log y base x equals to z, if you want to rewrite this in index form, you're going to have y equals to x raised to the power of z. Do you understand? So that law is what I make use of. X will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 1, and 3 raised to the power of 1 is what? 3. Okay, for the second one, when a equals to 2, we're going to have log x base 3 equals to 2. X will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 2. X equals to 9. So we have two values of x. The first value is x equals to 3, and the second value is x equals to 9. Okay, we can check maybe our value are correct. Let us first check for x equals to 3. Now, for x equals to 3, the logarithmic equation become log. Now, substitute the value of x as 3 into this logarithmic equation and check maybe we are going to have 3 as the answer. Log 3 base 3, right, plus log 9 base 3 equals to, let us check. If we solve this question and we didn't have 3 as the answer, that means our root is incorrect. Okay, log 3 base 3 is 1, right? So I'm going to have 1 plus. Now, 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to have log 3 raised to the power of 2 base 3. According to this law, if you have log a raised to the power of b base c, this can be written as what? B log a base c. Are you following? The log of a power is the product of the power and the log. Okay, so that means I can rewrite log 3 raised to the power of 2 base 3 as 2 log 3 base 3. Put the plus, and here log 3 base 3 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'm going to have 3 here. You can see that when x is 3, our result is 3. Okay, so the value of x as 3 satisfy the equation. Okay, what of when x is 9? Okay, when x is 9, I'm going to have log 9 base 3 plus log 9 base 9. Okay, log 9 base 3 can be written as log 3 raised to the power of 2 base 3 plus 1, because log 9 base 9 is 1. The logarithm of the number that we're taking the logarithm is the same as the base, so the result is 1. Now this one, I'm going to have 2 log 3 base 3 plus 1. Log 3 base 3 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2, so I'm going to have 2 plus 1, which is what? 3. You can see that both the value of x as 3 and the value of x as 9 satisfy the equation. Hence, our solution is 3 and 9. Okay.